Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This media washing machine customer call me when they wash. That time also water is draining. So that means it's water leaking. So let's see actually what is the problem. So dear viewers, at first we have to turn off the washing machine, then turn off all the switch. Then you put water by hand, water by jog, yeah. Put manually water and then see water. See, it's water is draining. Now, if I put my jug and water is draining, that means it's not is the system problem. Problem is the draining, rubber. In rubber, there is something stuck. So there are some screws, back screws. Just remove the screws. So dear viewers, now its problem is there. That rubber, yeah, problem is there. There something has stuck. Cannot close properly. That's why it's happened. Dear viewers, it's working. When its drain meter will pull, see, it will, if it's a drain meter pull, then water will drain. And if drain motor stop working, turn off, then water will stop. So actually there was dust in there. There's some dust is stuck, and one small pin also was there. That's why it was unable to close, because there was one pin. Then I have removed the pin, and see, after that now it's okay. So viewers, see finally how is it. So I have removed and cleaned. So now again same thing I have to do. I have to put water and see there is water is draining or not. See, there's no water. So that means it's okay now.